here with WTI, and if you're looking for a portable carrier for your sweet little pet, I have just the one here from Petprsco. So what I love about this carrier is that it collapses down to such a small size, which makes it easy to store when not in use. It's nice and sturdy. I love that the door comes on and off easily, so I can have full access if I want to, or I can open it from either side. Amazing. It also comes with some cute little accessories. Our sweet pup is only 7 pounds right now, and so he fits really nicely in this. This is good for dogs up to 20 pounds and cats up to 25 pounds. So he has a lot of room. This is currently his bed at night so that we can keep him nice and close. We are potty training, so having a carrier like this is excellent. It's great for taking in the car if you need to bring your pet anywhere or leave your pet anywhere. It has a nice handle on top, so it's easy to cart around. It's also made of plastic, easy to wash. It has little windows on the top. There's great ventilation on all sides. Very user-friendly. It's exactly what we were looking for. So if you're also looking for a small, portable pet carrier, I think you'll be really thrilled with this one, and that's my point of view.